What's up guys, in this video, let's check out the water resistant capabilities of a non-water resistant entry level smartphone with no IP rating, the Xiaomi Redmi 6, and see if it can survive all the glass, thereby giving it a certain degree of water resistance in an otherwise non-water resistant phone. After this round, we will proceed to light splashing and if it is able to survive, to heavy drenching. Every phone reacts differently to water, with the most common effect being low distorted audio via the external speakers, and a few cases of random reboots or the screen not functioning for 14 hours on the failed Redmi Y2, and the recently failed Zenfone 5Z, a budget flagship which suffered from water seepage issues when water had entered its screen. So let's find out if the Redmi 6 is able to survive like the Redmi Note 5 or fails like the Asus Zenfone 5Z. At this point, the water had made absolutely no difference to the audio via the external speakers or to the camera. So continuing with the test. This test has been like a piece of cake for the Redmi 6, considering the fact that it had badly failed in its bend test, but passes the water test with flying colours even though water had seeped inside the speaker port, which caused the audio to go off for about 20 minutes before coming back to normal. The heavy drenching that had damaged the Zenfone 5Z was not able to cause any damage to the Redmi 6. The plastic Xiaomi Redmi 6 is not an IP54 rated device like the Poco F1 but surely behaves like one. Stay tuned to catch more videos on latest devices. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.